Today, we continue with the 3D printing model air tightness test. We used the same model, but printed with different wall thicknesses. The material is PETG, with thicknesses of 4 layers, 6 layers, 8 layers, and 10 layers. To facilitate observation and analysis, we submerged the models in water to test air tightness, and placed them in a vacuum environment to accelerate the saturation process. We determine the air tightness of the models by measuring their weight before and after testing. Since the 3D printed models would float when placed directly in water, we added weight blocks to the bottom of the models. During the test, we observed a large number of bubbles, particularly with the 10-layer thick model, which still had many bubbles. The final weighing results show that the increase in liquid weight was 7.2 grams, 3.4 grams, 4.4 grams, and 5.4 grams, respectively. In summary, the air tightness of PETG material is limited. When the model thickness exceeds 6 layers, further increasing the thickness does not significantly improve air tightness. Today, we continue with the 3D printing model air tightness test.